Now, let's talk about what we do with the furniture. So here's the question. What do we do with the furniture? What do we do with the furniture? But first, let's look at some vocabulary. Some new, some old. Okay, first, sleep. Sleep. Sit. Sit. Put. Put. Cook. Cook. Eat. Eat. Watch. Watch. Wash. Wash. Read. Read. Play. Play. And write. Write. Okay? Sleep, sit, put, cook, eat, watch, wash, read, play, write. Okay, now let's also talk about present continuous. You saw this before. Remember that present continuous is something we're doing now, okay? And we use words like now, right now, at the moment, etc. Now, here is a picture of some people in a living room. And here's the question.